Hi everybody, I'm here today with my first ever tutorial, I guess. I was asked recently by a lovely viewer whether I could do a tutorial actually of one of those cover pages, I think in my last video, and that's not what I'm going to do today, but I've got something else that I've been meaning to show people, it's this. These are my, I call them triple pocket, I don't know, embellishments, whatever you want to call them. And they consist, as you can see, of two pockets here and there. I mean, this one has something in it already. And then you open it up and you have card space here or journaling space, or if you sew that shut, you have another pocket here that you can put something in. So they come, as you can see, in all kinds of sizes. Here's a smaller one. Here's a really small one with very small tags fitting into them. Here is a triple pocket that is sewn shut, so it's got one tag there, another one here, and then here's another one. I'll just pull it out. And yeah, here it is made with music paper. So to make this is actually really simple. So I'm going to show you. Put stuff out of the way first. You just need a nice rectangular sheet of paper, and what you do is the following. You fold it in half, open it up again, and fold it like this. And now you fold down this corner, not all the way to the middle fold, but maybe halfway, or this is about 3/4, I suppose, or 2/3, and then turn it around and the opposite one all the way to the fold, the middle fold. And now you take a pair of scissors and you make a cut here to the middle, and you fold this one over, fold it up, fold this one over, and ta-da, there is your triple pocket. Well, you can either just glue this, or you can sew it. That's my preferred way of doing it. And I think I'm going to keep this as a double pocket rather than a triple pocket, because I do like the little seal, even though he's upside down. But I think I'm going to keep him. So I've got my sewing machine here. Just get that a little bit further over here. And let's try and do this right now. Now I'm going to sew sort of from halfway down, not all the way. Unfortunately, my video cut out as I was finishing this up. I just wanted to say this is how it turned out. This is it, and it's very quick and easy, as you could see. I mean, it literally takes 3 minutes, less, 2 minutes to make this. Makes lovely cards. You can experiment with it and do it the other way around, like have the pockets inside rather than outside, and use it for like vouchers or money or something like that. And they're incredibly easy to make and look really good in a junk journal, I think. So hope you liked this, my first tutorial ever, and well, Thank you very much for listening and for watching. Bye.